Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm in this tiny little town in Switzerland. It's like in the mountains, very weird place. We're going to be jumping into the charts for Bitcoin and see what's going to be happening. The markets are going green, Bitcoin is going green. CRV pumped massive since I bought it. If you followed my videos, if you followed my live trades, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Going to the technicals for look at the market, massive green right now, which is beautiful. Oh, it's still loading. CRV is up 13.8%. APE is up 10%. FXS is up 6%. DYDX 5%. Engine is up 5%. Bitcoin is up 3%, which is beautiful. So we're going to Bitcoin right now on the 4-hourly charts. We had a breakout of this descending triangle. It's still in play. Nothing changed from the previous video, actually. This descending triangle, the base of the triangle is our target, which takes us to 42K. We broke out. We came out with volume, which is a good thing. RSI is heading up on the 4-hourly. Stochastic is overbought, heading down. So it is trying to pull back right now. I do expect to pull back to around 38,300 before the big starts moving up. MACD is crossing, though, to head up, which is good. On the VPVR, we're at the EMA ribbons. We're above the EMA ribbons now, and they're holding as supports, which is a good sign. Let's see if we can actually get a pump here. VPVR, we got a lot of buying and selling. Underneath us is a lot of support now. Crypto Guru Bot still fired a buy actually on the 4-hourly, and that hasn't happened for a long time. We've got a buy signal on the 4-hourly, which is beautiful. Bitcoin Indicator Bot also fired a sell on the top of this candle. So again, mixed indicators. On the hourly, we're forming a bull flag here on the hourly, everyone. This is a bull flag. We've got the pole. We've got a flag formation, which should be taking us up to the base of... it's a technical pattern, which will take us up to the base of the pole. So this is a flag that's forming. Let's draw it here. This is a flag that's forming, and the base of the pole would be the distance that we're moving up. As I teach you in the Crypto Master Course, this distance here. So if this breaks out to the upside, the target will be that big resistance at the $40,000 mark, which is good news. On the hourly, stochastic is... RSI is overbought heading down, and stochastic is also overbought heading down. So it does look like on the 4-hourlies, but let's see on the daily. On the daily, we're above that triangle, and the stochastic is... RSI is... Wait 1 second. RSI is oversold heading up, and stochastic is oversold heading up. So it looks good on the 4-hourly. Look at Dr. Javon. He's already making friends in the city in 5 seconds. And they're drinking water from the town thing. It's like pure Switzerland water, which is amazing. If you followed my videos from the last years, you know Dr. Javon from the villa in Blackrock. He's my doctor. He's Ayurvedic doctor and neurologist. And his job is to keep us alive for a very long time, which is beautiful. Let's go back into the charts. So on the daily, we're looking amazing for a big movement, but there can be a pullback in the short term. So if I was going to go long on Bitcoin, I'll show you where I'll go long, how I would first. If you want to trade, underneath this video in the description, pin comment, you can get $8,200 sign-up bonuses when you sign up to the exchanges used for buying Bitcoin, altcoins, Luna, Ethereum, everything. Bybit, you get 4,600 USD when you use this link. As a bonus, you get 4,600 USD when you sign up and deposit Bitcoin. Femex 4,100. If you have any restrictions, use NordVPN. And this will open this trading software. So in here, if you followed my videos yesterday, I was at $202,000. Now it's at $209,000. So it's up around $7,000 since yesterday, which is beautiful. In here, I've got $209,472, 56,000 in USDT. I bought a lot of CRV, which pumped. Bit is up small, $48,000 worth of Bit. Bitcoin, I've got one Bitcoin up 3%, and I've got CRV, which I bought a bunch of it yesterday, up 13%. So huge pump. I should have bought more actually of CRV. That was a big movement. My Bitcoin trade was negative 1,000 yesterday. Now it's back to negative 260. It's a $30,000 Bitcoin trade. I will add more to it when Bitcoin makes its next bullish move. So if I was going to go long on Bitcoin, I would wait for a pullback to this support before I went long. So I'd wait for a pullback to this support. I'd put a stop loss underneath this major support here. And I would put my take profit all the way up the top of this channel. So I'd put it all the way up here. So that's a big trade. I would be risking $1,200. So my trade would open where it would open at 38,592. The stop loss will be below the support 37,300, and my take profit is all the way at 49,000. So I'm risking 1,200 to make $11,000 profits. 1,200 to make $11,000 profits. Risk to reward ratio 8.92. 10x leverage, $110,000 of profits. So that's a trade I would open on Bitcoin. I'm going to add more to this long position. When Bitcoin comes down here, I will add more to it. If it bounces from here after this, but I would rather if the bull flag breaks to the upside. So I'm going to watch it closely before I add more to my trade. CRV is also a massive 14% today. Look at that. Huge movement. I bought it yesterday. I bought $30,000 or $20,000 more of it yesterday. We had this big pump exactly off that support line. I bought it down here. We had this big movement. If it can break out here though, then we're going to get a really big movement on CRV. This is a symmetrical triangle. As I teach you in the crypto course, you can learn how to do technical analysis. The base of the triangle is the distance that will break out. So if it does break out here, the movement will be this distance here, targeting $3.90. And look how it lines up. That's a massive movement. $3.90 is actually really huge distance. If we use the info line, a movement to $3.90 is going to be almost a 61% move. So I'm going to buy more CRV here. So I'm going back over to CRV. I'm going to buy another $10,000 worth of CRV, which is beautiful. $10,000 buy at the current price, 10,000. Confirm. So I just bought another $10,000 of CRV. So now I have around $52,000 of CRV, which is amazing. Those are my trades. The stock market is also looking bullish at the moment. It's like getting a bounce, which is good. Altcoin is up 11%, huge movement. DYDX up 6%. Total market cap, let's look at total market cap. And then next video, I'll look at Ethereum. Total market cap, we got to bounce off this trend line on the daily, which was very important. We've been moving for all year. Since January 2019, we went from 1.5 trillion, 2 trillion, 1.5 trillion, 2 trillion, down to 1.6 trillion. Let's see if we can head up to 2.2 trillion. Then we could be getting a little mini alt run. So that's mainly what's happening in the markets right now. Again, to trade, use this Bybit link down below. You get a sign-up bonus 4,600 USD. And that's what's happening in the markets. A quick update from this beautiful Switzerland town in the mountains. These mountains are surrounding us like it's like crazy mountains. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.